Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Ankita in Trends and Style. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope this new year brings health, wealth, happiness and prosperity and success to all of you and your family as well. So today I would be giving you a very quick review on Benefit Eyebrow Volumizing Gel. This is Benefit Give Me Brow Plus. So basically we know that Benefit is one of the best international brand. Whatever you need to do with your eyebrow, Benefit gives the best products ever. So I am using this volumizing gel from Benefit since last 1 year, and literally after starting using this one, I have stopped using any other kind of eyebrow products or eyebrow kits. It's absolutely not needed. This is the shade I have taken, 4.5. Since this one is very dark brown, but it is not black. There are many other shades. This is just perfect for my skin tone, and you can also take this one if you have a medium to fair complexion. Better not to go to black. It looks really artificial if you put black on your eyebrows straight away. So the claims: volumizes, tames and tints your brows. Number 2 is natural looking and buildable, water resistant and long wearing eyebrow gel. It is really buildable. If you want a very gorgeous look, you can build it up like that. If you want to go out with a just well defined eyebrow line, you can do that also. Of course it is waterproof, and of course it is long wearing. So this is how it looks. This is the product, written Give Me Brow, and here is the shade number 4.5. This is the cap which you should turn round to open, and this is the type of wand end which is actually really very precise, and this gives you absolutely clear application. There is no messing up, and it gives you a really defined brows. And you can see this is the container which is having a gel inside it. Always do this down to up. My eyebrows are already plucked and are in good shape, but still when I will apply this, you can see the volume it adds. And if for example you have certain hairs which are missing in your eyebrow, or your plucking was not very perfect, you can adjust them by using this. And you can see it is not very clumsy, not that huge amount of product is coming out and it is messing up your eyebrow, nothing like that. So see this one, it will take not more than 2 minutes, seriously. And it's a very handy one also. You can just put this one into your pockets, and wherever you go, just go into the washroom for 2 minutes and make your eyebrows perfect and come out. Within just 30 seconds or 1 minute, it sets completely dry. After that, even if you rub your face or you wash it with water, nothing will happen. The price is 2000 rupees for 3 grams of net weight. But of course this product gives a very precise, very clear defined eyebrow with full coverage, as you can see. So I really like this product a lot, and I would recommend definitely this product to you all. Since last 1 year I'm not using any other eyebrow products except this one. So I just love this one. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.